Ito, taga Bulacan. Bulacan.
Ayan,
babayan
mo na naman to.
Babayan mo to. Yung Wednesday na si Elizabeth Reyes.
Nanay niya yan.
Oo. Age niya, 14 years old. Tawagin natin si Genesis Brian Reyes. Defending champion.
Siya pala. Yan, ang ating defending champion.
To dream the impossible dream, to fight the unbeatable foe, to bear the unbearable sorrow, to run where the brave cannot go, to right the unrightable wrong, and to love pure and chaste from afar, to thrive when your arms are too weary, to reach the unreachable star. This is my quest, to follow the star, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far, to fight for the right without question or pause, to be willing to march into hell for our heavenly cause. And I know if I only be true to this glorious quest, then my heart will long peaceful and calm when I'm laid to my rest. And the world will be better for this. That one man scorned and covered with scars still strove with his last ounce of courage to reach the unreachable, the unreachable, the unreachable star. And I'll always dream the impossible dream, yes, and not reach the unreachable.